Come closer. What do you usually do when there is a sale? You buy stuff! Today I'm gonna unbox a beautiful piece of technology. You're gonna love this. This is gonna be my mainstream action camera from now on. Now that you know it's about an action camera, let's just jump into unboxing. Cardboard packaging. There are no bubble wraps this time. At least we saved a little bit of plastic. It is all recycled paper. Let's put this box aside. With some really amazing piece of technology coming to your mobile phones, how long do you think these traditional DSLRs or other mirrorless cameras play a major role in our lives? But here is the point. Here is the point. The stabilization that they offer are zero. I mean, most of the cameras, especially if you don't have a gimbal, then you're gone. If you are running or if you are taking an action shot, they are not to your use. So that's why they are not meant for that purpose. And here comes the future of action cameras with the amazing 360-degree capture range, or viewing range is 360 degrees. Thanks to innovation, guys, there is a lot of technology that's been coming into the camera world, and every moment is to be captured, every life has to be cherished. And with that being said, here it is. It's the Insta360. I'm gonna tell a lot about this because it has a ton of features packed in it. Do you still remember those days when we get chided by our parents for wasting a negative in the reel? Do you remember those Kodak cameras? Those days, every single negative is very important because we pay a lot of price for it, and now you click just 100 pictures to select one picture. See how technology is shaping our future of cameras. And gone are those days when DSLRs used to be the primary source of clicking pictures, but these days it's all about mirrorless cameras. Amazing features, right? So people are now towards mirrorless cameras, and there is no doubt about it. So the packaging feels pretty sturdy, it feels solid in your hand. So let's just quickly run into what's printed on the box. It says 5.7K 360-degree capture, 4K wide angle capture, flow state stabilization. So flow state stabilization is a technology that was built by Insta360 for the Insta360 1R, and there are other range of cameras in this segment as well. So it is for them. Waterproof up to 5 meters. Invisible selfie stick. I'm gonna talk about this a little bit later. It's beautiful and it's amazing. Auto frame plus auto edit. Wow, this is a unique feature that you will enjoy thoroughly with this action camera, especially hyperlapse. Yes, you will love to take a hyperlapse. Point to track. Yes, you can target a particular point and you can track it. Voice control. Wow, this is an amazing feature that we all love to see in action cameras. Then we have 8x slow motion, 4x slow motion for 360, and that's going to be an amazing. So this is the special feature of Insta360. This company exclusively have built this technology for the 360-degree viewing angle, and of course HDR plus video and night shot. That's on one side, and inside the box, so you get the core, you get dual lens 360 mod, you get 4K angle mod, battery case, mounting bracket, lens cap, and charging cable. Okay, I did not mention this, but this is a twin edition. Actually, you get these cameras exclusively in different variations. So I forgot to mention the exclusivity of this product is that it features twin lenses. So it has both the 1R 360 as well as 1R 4K lens. So usually you get that separately outside, but in this is an exclusive for the both. And okay, this is a product of China, not to mention. Okay, let's just quickly snap inside. This has that strong or Apple packaging kind of a vibe, guys. 1-inch wide angle mod, 4K angle mod. Okay. See, it's the same slow effect that the Apple has. Boom. So let me just quickly help you run through the contents in the box. So you have the mod. So this houses the important f2.8 16.4 mm equivalent lens. Let's put these aside. Then comes the 360 lens. It has two cameras, which is, and of course the battery case. This is the battery chamber and the power passes through this, and there is a nice small box in here. Okay, here is the cable, USB type C. Let's put the cable aside. Insta360 logo ka sticker. You get silica gel, it absorbs the humidity. So this is clearly do not throw away. If you are planning to use 1 hour in humid environment, if there is a large temperature differences with the storage environment, so definitely you need to put the mod inside this and store it. Let's put it aside. Let's put the stickers aside. And the documentation, waterproofing. What do you need to know about waterproofing? There is this, and then of course what's included, the contents of the box and the warranty card, and some quick documentation, how do you set up the camera and all. Okay, you have a cleaning cloth, you have the camera casing. It feels pretty solid. The plastic, I think it's the ABS plastic. Let's put this guy aside. So this is the cover for the 360-degree camera. So this is how you keep it safe. And what do we have in this? And yeah, the mounting accessories, you get these two. That's all from the content. So typically now you might have an idea what is this all about. The 4 important things that we will be playing with this in this video or with this camera are these 4. So all it does is snap. It just snaps. So the core unit snaps onto this. Did you hear that click? That's all. Let's boot this guy up. It makes that little sound. Okay, language English. Insta360 1 hour app connected camera to activate. I just boot it up and it is asking me to insert an SD card. So here is where you insert the memory card, the micro SD card, and again it just snaps. That's all. Now it is reading the SD card. Ensure use 3V30 SD card to ensure operational stability. So it is asking me to download the Insta360 1 hour app. So let me just quickly install. Meanwhile, while the app is being downloaded, let's just did you hear the sound? Ouch! Ouch! It's 556 MB. It's gonna take a little bit time. So the network is having certain issues, so it is not able to download or connect to the camera right now, which is a bit sad. But there are some amazing shots that people use. So in this application there are a wide range of spot focus. In this application there are a wide range of shots how they shoot. There are some tutorials, amazing tutorials which people can check, and they can definitely try them, and I'm gonna definitely try most of them. Yeah. So not to worry, I just quickly changed the network, and yes, it has been downloaded and now it's been updating the firmware in the camera. So let's just be happy about it. Happy. It's uploading the firmware. Let's just wait for a couple of minutes and yes, I'll get back to you. I used action cameras before. I use a Hero GoPro 7, you know that. What's more exciting me is this 360-degree mod. You see this beautiful circular effect. The tutorials are amazing from the application. It's called the stories in the application. It's amazing that how the tutorials are shot, and there is a step-by-step process everywhere how to do and what effect will be applied if you do that particular tutorial. So you can just use your camera application and just control the camera. So I'm turning the lens 360 degrees using my phone camera. How awesome is this, guys? Woohoo! Yay! Beautiful. I can't wait to try this, guys. Okay, the another surprise that I told you about is the invisible stick that you have to order separately. It doesn't come as a freebie, you got to pay for it. Yeah. Let's just quickly put this guy aside. So this particular selfie stick is not available anywhere, so I had to try it from a different shipper. It is called iamastudent.com. I tried this and it came pretty fast. It is a Hyderabad based it's an app website, not application. So I've seen a lot of promotions from YouTube influencers, so I tried this. So let's quickly unbox and check what's inside and is this genuine or not. Sorry, I am a student. Bubble wrap. Do you do this still? I definitely do whenever I receive a new. Okay, this is the selfie stick. 2500 is the MRP, and let's just quickly check what's written on the back side. Anya Enterprises is the importer. September, China, 2020, made in China. Full top to extend the full length. There is nothing much written on the outer package. Let's put that aside and quickly open this. Boom, you pull it out and yes, here it is. It just says Insta360. The branding is here. Okay, you just pull it. I think this is approximately a meter long and the rubber grip feels quite stable here. Okay, this is good, and this is how it is. It's approximately a meter long and it feels pretty sturdy when you hold it. Ignore the room though, it's pretty mess. So yeah, the stick is not invisible though. I can still see the stick. So according to what I read, they have an intelligent algorithms designed for this particular camera that can make this stick invisible in the video. Maybe after capturing, maybe after, during editing, this might happen. So my full hands-on review, I don't think I'll do another video. I'll just quickly put another 1 or 2 clips at the end what I capture from this particular camera, and yeah, that should. So that's all from this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave in the comment section what do you think about this unbox experience and what do you think about the content. So yeah, would love to hear from you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.